Hi, here is step-by-step guide how to change your username on Binance application. So let me show how to do that. First of all, open up your Binance application on your phone or on your PC. And after that, tap on Binance icon at the top left corner. Once we have, we can tap on username at the very top. Wait a couple of seconds. So in this window you can see your username, and at the right side you can see edit button. Let's tap on it. And once we here, we can see profile and nickname. And after that we can tap on edit button right here. After that we can type in your new nickname and tap on confirm button. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Binance. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.